Hello all. This is for ATI AMD graphics card users, and the latest update using Xorg Server 115. You may experience some problems. Notably is the black screen or the logout when you go to play a video file, for example, in VLC. You double click to play it, or in MPlayer as well. It'll log you out, or you'll just get a black screen and you won't be able to do anything. And I found the same thing with Syuu, the webcam program. It did the same thing. So one suggestion is to enable a certain plugin for VLC and other video players you may have. Another one is to just downgrade your Xorg server, and it's very, very simple to do. So you just take this these lines here, and throw them into your pacman config file. So you just open a terminal and whatever you're using to edit, and you have to use sudo, and I'll use leafpad is fine. And it's in -etc and pacman.conf, and we'll just go down to just above testing here, and I'll enter a couple of times, give some space, and then I'll just take this whole section here, copy, or Control-C, or right-click copy, and then paste that in, and then Control-S to save, Control-Q to quit. Now all I have to do to downgrade, and it seems for me with an AMD card that it solves the problem pretty much right away. You might want to reboot though. So the command is very simple. You've used it before, but just one extra variable. So sudo pacman -s y and then 2 u's. So sudo pacman -S y u. Press enter. Okay. So we have to resolve these. So as you can see here, it's going to install Xorg 1.114 instead of having 115. So we'll see what happens. So you just press enter for yes. All right. As you can see, it says downgrading Xorg server, and that's it. And you should be able to open something like Syuu and not crash. Alright, so it turns out just a simple logout will do it, and you can open your videos and other, maybe some other video that makes use of video, the Xorg server, and that issue should be gone. I should mention though, if you open VLC and you want to keep your the latest Catalyst drivers and Xorg server, actually the Xorg server only, if you want to keep the updated one, you go to Preferences and Input Codecs, and you just select this. Like, it's usually on automatic and it works, but you can select Video Acceleration and then save and exit. It doesn't matter, it works both ways anyway, regardless. And that should be it. Hopefully that'll address that issue with the screen going black. And hopefully the Catalyst drivers or something updates. I don't know, either the Catalyst or Xorg or whatever. Most likely the Catalyst, I'm guessing, is updated so that issue doesn't happen. Okay, and only downgrade if you're having issues like I did. So, all right. So the command is sudo pacman -S syuu, and make sure you have the Xorg server at the top of your repositories to say Xorg server 114. If you need 113 to go back further, you can do that as well. Okay, so that's it. And any questions, feel free to add. And we'll talk to you soon. And bye for now.